Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Ford Mondeo. Any screen, you have phone here, menus just underneath it. You can go to menu and Bluetooth, click Bluetooth, and you've got select active phone, debomb Bluetooth devices here, or in the middle select active Bluetooth audio device. So you can have, the driver can have his phone bonded to the telephone calls, and a passenger can have his phone bonded playing music. So this is the one we want anyway, debond BT devices. Just bringing them up, just my phone at the moment, so click on that. It's gone.